Today we're going to take a quick look at something that I think a lot of you guys are going to be excited about. And what might that be? Well, Honda is going back in time to bring something back from many moons ago, like they've done many times now, but this time around, they're resurrecting the extremely popular and rather expensive nowadays Honda Motocompo. But now, it's been electrified and is dubbed the Honda Motocompacto, and the best part about it is, it's coming to the USA.
Are you serious?
I know, it surprised me too, as American Honda didn't import the Motocompo back in the day, which is part of the reason why those little things sell for absolutely insane prices today, if you can find one. However, finding one of these new electric Honda mobility scooters is going to be a lot easier, as they'll be for sale at Honda and Acura auto dealerships starting in November of this year, as a way to help cut down on congestion in heavily populated areas, since it's small enough to just toss in the trunk of your car and whip it out once you're tired of sitting in stop-and-go traffic. It was designed right here in the good old US of A with Honda's engineers in both Ohio and California, and to show they're not playing around, it holds 32 patents for the tech crammed into this little folding electric scooter. It's sporting an aluminum frame and wheels with LED lights for both the headlight and taillight, and a welded steel lock loop on the kickstand that's compatible with most bicycle locks, because this thing only weighs 41 pounds, so yeah, theft is going to be a problem if you don't keep your eyes on it. It's also got an app to adjust your personal settings, lighting, and different ride modes via Bluetooth, but I gotta say, I hope it's not something where you have to whip out your phone every time you ride it, but I'm sure those details will come to light very soon, as right now, there's not a lot to go on with the info Honda has released. We do have important info though when it comes to measurements, with it being smaller and lighter than the original Motocompo, but it is slower by just a tiny bit. And when it comes to power and range, yeah, it's not going to excite a lot of people with that 15 mile per hour top speed with a range of 12 miles when you compare it up against what you can get from other manufacturers in this price point. But remember, it's a Honda and not from
China.
And like we've talked about in past videos, be prepared for some more new electric motorcycles and scooters and more to be released very soon from Honda. I'm curious though, what do you guys think about the $995 price tag on this thing? Personally, I think they're going to sell like hotcakes, and I want one, but let me know what you guys think, and let's talk about it down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and a big thank you to everyone that uses those affiliate and support links below, and to our channel members for helping to keep this train chugging along, and we'll see you guys in the next one.